ሰላም ከመይ ተነፍታት ቤተሰብ ከአብ ሰላም መጻውና ቻናል ቴንክ ዩ ትገብሩለ ዘለኹም ፍቅሪ ይረለኹ ሰብስክራይብ ላይክ ኩሉ ነገር ይረለው አዚለ ሲሉ ሸን 27 በጽሕና ለና አውሽጥ እዚ 28 መዓልታት ከባቢ 57 ሰብስክራይብ ገይሮም ነው ማለት ይዝና ዓብ ነገሪ ስለዚ ቴንክ ዩ ሎማ አንተ አብ ናይሮቢ ዘለኹም አብ ሲቢዲ ወካቲ አፍቲ ሰንተር ዝበሃል ቦታ ኢና ሎማ አንተ ኻዘወና ናኸመይ ዝመስልት ቦታ ክንረና ማለት አዚ ጽቡቕ ቦታ ከም ዝትሪዎ ዘለኹም ገለ ዓይነት ቦታ ኣብዝኻ ዳርጋ ኩሎም መንእሰያት ክትሎም ትኸሪኻ መጽኦም ቪድዮታት ዝሰርሑሉ ናይ ቲክቶክ ናይ ዩቲዩብ ኢንስታግራም ኩሉ ከምኡ ዓበይቲ ሞላት ገለ ዘለዎ ብጣዕሚ ዕሙር ቦታ እዩ ከምኡ ካር ፍሪ ዞን መኪና ይተኣትወና እዚ ከባቢ ስለዚ ተረጋጊኻ ኢኻ እቲ ኮንቴንት ናትካ ትሰርሕ ማለት እዩ አዚ ጽቡቕ ቦታ እዩ ብሕጂ ክጅምር ማይ ካርም ስለ ዝጸንሐ ብዙሕ ሰብ ዝኾነ ነገር ኣይጀመረን ሕጂ ወፂኦም ገለ ዝዳለው ዘለው ካሜራታት ተኽሉ ስዕስዑ በዘለው ፍሪሕና ክንምለሶም ኢና ማለት እዩ ነዛ ቪድዮ ላይክ ገበሯ እዛ ቻነሉ ሰብስክራይብ ገበሯ እንገጽልና ዝኾነ ኣብ ናይሮቢ ክበፅሓልኩም ትደልዩ ቦታ ተለኻ ኣቐ ንገሩኒ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ቦታ ኮመንት ከይና ክንርአና ማለት እዩ ና ቴንክ ዩ ስለዚ እንዳተዛወርና ተዘለዎ ነገራት ክንርአና ድምጽ ከመይ ረኺብኩም ሓዳሽ ብሎ ማይክ ገዚና ኣለና ድምጽ ቁርብ ተዓሪፍ ኸውን ተስፋ ኣለኒ ቪድዮኻ ዝቕጽል ከነዕረየና ተተኻኢል በለት ካሜራ ክገዛ ሓሲበ ኣለኹ ሽዑ ዝበለፀ ኸውን ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ግን ማይክ ገዚና ኣለና ያ ድምጽ ፈቲኹም ትኾኑ ተስፋ ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ኣብ ቦታ ኮመንት ከመይ ያለ ንገሩኒ ከመይ ዝመስል ያ ኣብ ናይሮቢ ዘለኹም يحواتنا هاو وصيهم تزاوروا مالتي نيروبي بزح صبغ ነገራት አለ ክትሪኦ ክትዛወሩ ትኸማት ካፍኮ ፋይ ከፈኒ ብዙሕ ነገር ትማሩ ለኹም ብፍላይቶም ኣብ ቲክቶክ ኢንስታግራም ወይ ዩቲዩብ ትነጥን ተዳኹንኩም ናይሮቢ ብፍላይ ሰንበት ኣብቲ ሲዲቢ ዝበሃል ከባቢ ኸይትኩም ምስ ብዙሓት ሰባት ኮላቦሬት ክትገብሩ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ናትኩም ቪድዮታቱን ብዘይ ስከፍታ ክሰርሑ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ውፅኢልኩም ሻስተይ ተዛወሩ انت لا تزيريهم ما ابزناتي لكم عرفت فيديوهات الله استسال كل منهم على تيم نزرف كيدنيره كومون اب سي دي بي كي اي سي سي زبال كينياتا جومو كينياتا مذكرتا دوايل استسرا هنصا ويون او تزاورنا على وثيقه كله كينيا نيروبي بمون تريل مالتي الى عين صبو فيو زلو ያው አሁን ኩን ካተዛወሩ ማለት ይወት ዘሎ ነገር ብዙሕ ገዛ ኾፍ ምባል ጭንቀት ሐሳብ ይዝኸፋካ ስለዚ ከይድኩም ተዛወሩ ዘሎ ነገር ረይዎ ከም ትፈትዎ አይጠራጠርኒ ደማሎም ውጽኢልኩም ሳዕስዑ ኣብዞ ወጽኡም ሳዕስዑ ካብቲ ገዛ ውጽኢልኩም አይ ማለት ዓበይቲ ህንጻታት ዳርጋ ኩሉ ዓበይቲ ህንጻታት ኣብዚ ዘሎ ደማሎም መንእሰያት ከመይ ክትኣኻኸቡ ጀሚሮም ሕጂ ኣውሽ ውስን ደቃይቅ እንምንታይ ሰብ ተኣኪቡ Yeah. So first, what's your name? You can.
I can hold.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, my name is Isiasuti from Eritrea. You know Eritrea?
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah, I've been 1 week here in Nairobi.
In Nairobi.
I'm trying to make videos.
Okay, that's.
What's your name?
My name is Cliff Odhiambo from Kenya. Yeah, my name is Cliff Odhiambo from Kenya, and we are in Nairobi.
Yeah. Thank you for willing to make video with me. That's a big thing for me. So, can you tell me something about Nairobi or Kenya?
Okay. Nairobi. We are talking about Nairobi. Now, you must concentrate. Nairobi is a good place, nice place. Development everywhere. Even if you walk, you can see it's safe. You can walk anytime you want, any place you want. There is security. Nairobi is very good, and is even whatever place you are. I know you hear about Nairobi, and that's why we say, as Kenyans, we say Nairobi is the capital city of Africa. Yeah.
Yes.
The good thing of Nairobi is going to 24/7, 24 hours. Business, people are working. There's one question you have asked me about regular person, a Kenyan, how much he or she.
Yeah, the income, average income.
Average is 15,000.
15,000 Kenyan shillings.
15,000 Kenyan shillings. Those are, let's say, like security, maids.
Around 500 USD.
Yeah. Those are the security, maids. And this, let's say, secular jobs.
Yeah.
But if you have a career, if you have an idea of something, you have learned about something, you can start by 30, 40 and 50s.
Do you think Nairobi is expensive compared to other East African countries?
Nairobi.
Yeah, I'm from Eritrea. I've been in Ethiopia for 6 years. Also, I've been in Rwanda for 4 months. So I'm now in Nairobi.
In Nairobi, Kenya.
For me, Nairobi, Kenya is expensive for me.
Expensive to you.
My expense, yeah. But how do you?
Okay, about Nairobi. About Nairobi, everything is money.
Yeah.
That is the language we talk here in Nairobi. Everything is money. Without money, you cannot survive. Yeah. But at least if you have something, an income, there's an income in you can survive. You see.
Yeah.
But so, Nairobi, everything is money. Everything is true. Nairobi is expensive.
Even for the resident, for the people.
Even for the resident. But the thing which I can tell you is that don't come to Nairobi and live the life someone is living. Come to Nairobi, live your life according to your pocket, according to your wallet. Don't live a life, because even in Nairobi, most of the people, they are faking their life. Most of the people they are not living their real life. They are faking their life. The life.
It's social media special.
Yeah. So live your life and live according to your income, and you see Nairobi is not expensive. Most of the people that are saying Nairobi is expensive because they are living people's life according to social media, and social media is a lie. There's nothing in social media is true.
So can I ask you some private question? One private question.
Okay.
How much is your daily expense as a Kenyan?
Personally, I'm not that someone who is living high level of life.
Yeah.
Personally, but I can use, let's say, 100,000, not 100,000, 100 shillings.
Per day?
Yeah, per day.
How? I think even the buses, the city buses are also...
City buses are not so expensive. They're not so expensive. It depends where you're coming from.
Where is your neighbor?
I'm staying in a place called Kawangware.
Kawangware?
Yeah.
It's far from here, from the city center?
It's not far. Let's say from Kawangware to here, it might be 50 bob.
Okay.
50 bob, 70.
So,
where you come from?
50,
yeah.
When you come and go back, it's 100. So, 50. I think even the water, the small 250 milliliter or something, it's 100, yeah?
Yes, you can say transport only you can use per day 150, yeah. Transport from home to town to home.
So even for the Kenyans, the daily average expenses, can we say 200 or 300?
To and from?
No, 200, 300 daily expenses.
Yeah, daily expenses.
Coffee,
daily
40,
yeah,
bus, something like that.
Yeah, let's say 300, 350, 400 there. Not much, because even it depends in a place where you're staying. Even there's a place where you are staying, food is not so expensive.
Yeah, in some, especially in the Italy, right?
Italy, you can see Italy. Even in Eastlands, Eastlands is like where have you ever been to Jogo Road to other side?
No, I've been in Isli.
Yeah.
Jamur. Yeah, center around.
Yeah, center. But yeah, center no, it's town.
Yeah.
Yeah,
too
so
much expensive,
yeah, it's
yeah?
expensive. You know, it's expensive because it's town. But if you live in Isli, Eastland, wherever, food is not expensive. Food are expensive in town. Yeah.
And the main city centers.
Yeah, main centers.
Thank you, my friend, for
Be
this
blessed.
good interview.
Thank you so much.
It was my first interview, so you give me good encouragement.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Okay, can I say my handle of social media?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, but I go by the name Cliff Media. I have my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X former Twitter. Everywhere Cliff Media. And don't forget to subscribe to my friend YouTube channel. He's a good friend. We have vibe. Imagine it's today you have met and the chemistry, the vibe is on top. Don't forget to subscribe. We're out.
Yeah, come Zizrahumo. I can tell them Tigrinya. I'm from Eritrea or language is Tigrinya.
So you want to tell from okay. So.
Yeah, so let's see. I'm حجري أتلاليه. اللي حكيته حرايلو أفكر اللي مالتي سلزي نخلي نسمعهم كليف ميديا إنكم نازو سبسكرايب جورو ناتي كان زي سبسكرايب لايف جورو ماتي كان معتي قلع عن فيديو حزنا هنمسينا كسب شعب ثانك يو يا تشاو خلينا قالوا بس زبال النجار مالتي أب نيروبي حجي نجرنين أرين مالتي أبزل خو خوابي عنتو زريكم زنابركم free wifi alo mati nay mangisti free wifi alo okay free wifi alo bu hajate كريك كفتنا صنيح 5G قال عينت مادي زها كاين بصي حتى زلا درجه يزرعي كمالات افتي نا حزبي نكب ويون انت خاطر حزب ززاناغعل خبابي بنصا واي فاي غيرهم تسبكا كيتسكفه ገንዘብ كيتفه كوفيلو ما يخون شاي يخون بخونه عينت ነገር كياززه كوفيلو بنصا واي فاي تطقيمو نفاس وسيلو سبا تزاناغي خير خيل ماتي زي عاب نغري نيروبي خاب غزي ليتي خمس تمثل مالتي بغزي مشت كاريكم كنتي وزلهم نزت تمثل مالتي زورور لنا قال نقرا መንእሰያት ኣብዚ ተኣኪቦም ኣለው ገለለጥ ኦኬ ያ ኣብዚ ኩዕሾ ይርኢ ኣሎ ማለት ኣይረኣይ ካሜራ ከም ገለ ኮይኑ ግን ኩዕሾ ኣርሰናል ሓንቲ እታ ኣላ 40 ገለን ደቂቕ በፂሖም ኣለው ኩዕሾ ንኽሪኦም እዚኦም ኩሎም ተኣኪቦም ዘሎ ማለት እዩ